Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to auto-number text or blocks in AutoCAD. If you're working in AutoCAD and need to number multiple text objects or blocks automatically, doing it manually is slow and prone to mistakes. That's where the tcount command comes in. It allows you to automatically number a selection of text or blocks sequentially with complete control. Let's begin. First, open your AutoCAD drawing. Make sure the text or blocks you want to number are placed and visible. If you want to number blocks, ensure each block has a text attribute that will display the number. If you're numbering standalone text, make sure all text objects are on the same layer for easier selection. Now go to the command center at the bottom and type tcount in the command line and press enter. This opens the tcount options. The command asks, select objects. Click and drag to select all the text objects or block attributes you want to number. Press enter once you've selected everything. It then asks you to sort those objects in either the x-axis or y-axis. Since we have those objects placed in the y-axis, we'll stick to that. Next, you'll see options for numbering, which are the start number and increment. Then you can insert any two numbers of your choosing. We'll go with 1 and 1. The start number sets the first number in your sequence, while the increment decides how much each subsequent number increases, which is usually 1. Once you've configured these settings, press enter to apply. AutoCAD will automatically assign numbers sequentially to each text or block you selected. Using tcount is much safer than manual numbering. It avoids skipped numbers, duplicates, and human error, especially when you have dozens or hundreds of objects. Finally, remember, always save a backup before running batch operations like auto-numbering. This allows you to revert in case something goes wrong. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.